Oh boy. So, living in the bus while working on it is getting a little bit chaotic. We have food everywhere. We have a crazy Toby. So we have food everywhere while we're trying to eat and prepare meals and find somewhere to put it. And then we have renovation supplies everywhere. And then we have unfinished projects everywhere. And it's kind of turning into chaos. Plus our door doesn't have any pull handles on it yet. And so shutting it at night becomes quite a challenge. So we have to actually close it from the outside, barricade it with one of Michael's wooden planter boxes, and then climb in the back door over Toby's bed.
Wait, what?
Yeah,
You've been climbing over my bed?
So, I did order today a proper lock and some pull handles for it, so those should come tomorrow, and then we can get those installed. And today the goal is to get the pantry and clothes storage painted. It is fully primed, but we need it to be painted so we can start putting stuff away in there, and then finish primering and possibly paint the other kitchen cabinets, even though they're not done yet. But that way we can sort of start at least putting things in there kind of nicely, so there's some sense of organization. But first, Toby and I are gonna put together our IKEA table. Yay! So that's what we're up to now. This table is the same table that we bought for our last bus, but we got somehow the wrong measurements of what it was supposed to be, and we had already built our couches and then it didn't fit, so we returned it. So this time we're building it before we build the second couch to make sure it's gonna fit.
1, 2, 3. We're the Boyd family!
Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now.
All
How
right,
does this stay up though?
so this is our drop leaf table.
Cool.
Both sides flip up, and then it has storage at the ends. So we have 6 drawers total. We'll turn it sideways. It'll go in between the couches, and it'll fit perfectly, almost the full length and almost the exact width we need it to be. And then when we're not using it, it'll get stored right in that corner right behind the driver's seat. We have a table.
Look at it first.
Okay,
and
so
then
I
she's
mixed
ready,
this
she's
up for
go.
Emily. She's gonna see how fast she can solve it.
Red.
Up to this.
Let-
Timer ready?
Go.
Okay.
What?
20 seconds.
That's the longest she's done today. She's
Yeah.
been doing amazing, and I
She
mixed it up
solved
real
it
good for her.
in 12 seconds earlier. I can show you the screenshot. I screenshotted it.
That was her
12
time.
seconds.
Toby was timing her.
There you go.
We're just making our first meal at our new table. What are you guys making?
Opals.
Oat bowls, yummy. Okay, as usual, the day has gotten away from me. It is a lot when Michael's not here trying to manage everything, but we did get that IKEA table put together and I was gonna start painting this and I realized, although I had sanded the plywood before we primered it, maybe I didn't quite sand it enough, but the primer was really rough and really gritty. And so I actually just gave it a quick sand again and then had to wipe it all down. So that took some time. And so it's all sanded and wiped down except the back of that shelf because I can't reach it. So everything else is done and I am now gonna start painting. It is almost supper time. Michael should be on his way home pretty quick and so I think he's gonna bring home food so that I don't have to worry about cooking.
Where is he? He's
doing tennis, so where's the tennis court?
He's not doing tennis. That's his mirror.
Okay guys, I'm gonna sound super repetitive and say the same thing I've been saying for about 6 days now. My goal today is to get this painted all the way. Actually, right now I'm just gonna simplify that and say if I can just get the clothing side painted, I will be a happy camper because then I can move the kids' clothes into there. So that's the goal. If I get to that, I'm doing awesome. Every day there's just so many things coming up and if Michael's not here, then I got a lot with the kids just all on my own, and if he is here, he's trying to do his building projects and needs my help or I'm filming him. So it doesn't seem to matter what's going on, I don't get to the painting. So Levi's napping. I actually got the kids fed lunch reasonably around lunchtime. So now I'm gonna do some painting. I got it done. That feels so good. That was such a big job. You wouldn't think so, like painting is usually pretty easy, but I think it's just because of how deep they are. Like I actually can't quite reach to the back of any of them, like maybe fingertips only. And I can't reach the back of that one. To wipe that one down, I actually had to go around the back of the cupboard. I had to pull it out and then stand on the wheel well to wipe down the back half. So when we were primering, the lovely Tamar, who is amazingly tall, came and did that one for me so I didn't have to worry about it. But I had to do it this time on my own because she's working today. So I got it done. It's all done. So it's gonna dry probably for 2 days because we're busy tomorrow anyways. And then we will start putting clothes on that side. I may, depending on my schedule next week, I may do another coat on the side just because it's gonna be like pantry. It's gonna hold canned goods and stuff, so it's gonna get pretty beat up. But that's kind of just like wishful thinking. Probably I'm just gonna move on because there's a lot of other cabinets that need to be painted and a lot more to do on the bus. It's got one good solid coat on there and primer under that. So I think we're doing really good. So super exciting. I am done on the bus for today. We need to clean up our little area that we're at here and get the grass cut, and it's already after 6 o'clock and I haven't even started supper. So I need to go do that. I need to wash all the paint off of me and collect my laundry that's at the big house dry. So we will see you all in a couple of days. I'm so glad I got that done. This was overall a really great day. We got the couch done. I got that pantry painted. So it's awesome. I'm pumped. I'm super excited and really happy now to have a day off.
All right, today we're gonna go ahead and measure, make our marks, take my grinder, cut that out, bolt this 4-foot box to the underside, with 6-inch bolts through the floor into the top of the storage container, and washer and lock nut, and that should hold it.
All right, so I've officially started putting food in the pantry side of the cupboard. Not even remotely organized, but getting it off of the makeshift counters that Michael's set up for me. I'm gonna start working on primering and painting the rest of the cabinets now today. I started moving all the food in there so I could take off those makeshift countertops and realized it's lunchtime. So first I'm gonna get the kids some food, and then I'm gonna put Levi for a nap, and then I'm gonna paint, which is why everything takes so long for me.
Just watch the metal, cut metal is sharp. Is it on? Yeah. Like, drill up. All right, we got our bolt hole drilled. Going from the bottom up, it's 3/8. You got to start with a small drill bit and work your way up to the 3/8. Hit it from the bottom, and then we got the 6-inch bolts, washer, and a lock nut. I'm going to do 8 of them for this 4-foot box. 6 is probably enough, but 8 will do the trick. And it's a carriage bolt. So it's got the squared top, and you kind of hammer that down. That'll lock it kind of into the wood. A good 2 inches, 1.5 inches of extra bolt. And then I will probably trim those up after. But for now, they'll stay until we get our final position in case we need to make any adjustments.
The kids are fed. This is where things get a little tricky. We have stuff, mostly tools and supplies. For our bus build and making food for the kids in all of these cupboards right now. And I need to prime them and paint them. So I think what I'm gonna do is really carefully move them all into the painted cupboard. I don't wanna scratch that up with all Michael's tools, but otherwise I have to load them all out to the van, which isn't too bad, but then they're just gonna be all mixed up and really hard to find. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, change of plans. I had this one already primered. And I'm just gonna finish something that's already started instead of half doing more things. So if we can get that one done, then I'll move on to those ones. We'll see how far I can get today.
Bolts are in place. I decided to go with 6. I didn't realize how closely spaced they actually are. So they're about 12 inches apart, and there's 6 bolts holding this thing. I don't think it's going anywhere. So we'll just remove the jack. And lift down the bottom jack. No movement. And they come with keys and they lock. Probably do a little trim along the top and edge. I'm gonna be putting another 3-foot box beside it, and then probably one more 3-foot. I think this will be our electrical bay where we put all our electrical setup. Our breaker panel, our inverter, our charger, maybe 2 batteries that might fit. Because I can actually bolt the charger to the roof. I don't have to put it all on the bottom. So we'll see. And then the 50 amp cord needs to live here. 4. We have 7 feet of understorage. And it actually matches if we weren't painting the bus.
Yeah.
The black matches nice. I don't think it's going anywhere. It's bolted to the floor.
Just gotta keep track of those keys.
There's 6 of them.
There you go. Cutie pie.
This